Kami dari Kinabalu Podcast ingin mengucapkan Kotobian Tadau Tagayo Do Kamatan.
Podcast ini dibawakan khas kepada anda oleh Naim Shauki, the celebrity physiotherapist. Beliau akan berada di Sabah selama 2 hari pada Julai nanti untuk mempromosikan sesi fisioterapis beliau yang akan kami umum soon.
Ya, Suna. Untuk mengetahui bila dan di mana, follow socials Naim Shauki di seluruh media sosial beliau, termasuklah TikTok dan Instagram, atau hubungi terus 0111-544-7006. Saya ulangi 0111-544-7006.
Pangkis!
Hoi!
Break it down.
Let me take the lead, taking all the beat for tomorrow flow. You make it complete, feeling me so deep, no more sorrow. Try to combine, kind of on my mind, bisa burungawi. Para merogi, pasal mati, kau pasangan gawi. Dari kono, kumalima, tak ada ketuan, kumamay ngawi bayo.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Ricardo.
Saya Kenny.
Kami dari Kinabalu Podcast, the number one podcast in Sabah.
Super legit.
Bertemu kita di season 15 episode yang kedua. Season
Syokah 2.
Ya. Season 15. Oh, kita mau kasih tahu yang sudah mengalahi Friends. Dan juga kita sedang berada di Kota Kinabalu sekarang.
Oh, lebih spesifik lagi kita di mana tu?
Kita wanna say thank you to Lester from Kuki BFM.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Pinjam bilik dorang.
Nanti saya taruh bil lah.
Suara siapa tu?
Siapa itu? Dia bilang Bill.
Anyway, kita ada special guest hari ini. The person that saya rasa saya respect in the music industry and also in the entertainment scene di Sabah ini dan juga di Malaysia. Ya, maksudnya orang Sabah yang di Malaysia lah kan. Memanglah bah, takkan di Zimbabwe.
Takkan di Timor Leste.
But you get what I mean lah.
Yeah,
alright.
yeah.
So kita bersama dengan Velvet. Welcome
Hi
to the
guys.
studio.
Hello.
Velvet, thank you for coming to the
Coming here guys.
thank you for coming to Kinabalu Podcast.
Thank
First and
you
foremost.
so much for having me.
Yeah, basically kami punya podcast ni memang we try to dig on whatever, because macam tertulis di wajah anda. Macam mana yang kau
Macam
simpan-simpan?
anticipating apa soalan-soalan kamu ni.
Macam yang am I being dig on my dirty secrets? No lah, tidak lah.
Berani.
Kau lebih-lebih okay. Tapi according to the lyrics, wow. Lirik-lirik dia sangat
Mendalam.
Oh, you heard.
Heard and analyze it.
Anyway, Velvet, how are you? How have you been doing for the past orang bilang back in Sabah and all?
I've been doing good. Yeah.
Closer to the mic lah. Alright,
If
okay.
not great. Okay lah. I like to be here.
Yeah.
I like to be based in KK. You know, it's more subtle. You know, I get to do the things that I want to do. Kasih besar anak-anak pun sini macam siok.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let me just rewind everything back. We would like to know Velvet in person. Velvet ni berasal dari mana sebenarnya? Dari Tambunan kah? Dari Penampang kah? Ataupun dari Tenom kah?
Spitang kak. Saya tambah lah kan. Sorry.
Boleh juga. Saya saya berasal dari Penampang. My dad orang Tuaran. Mami saya orang Penampang.
Okay.
Tapi kami membesar di Penampang.
Okay.
So actually saya orang Tuaran dan juga Penampang lah kan.
Kadazan dusun lah kau ni
Ya,
kan?
dari saya Lotud, mami saya Dusun.
Okay. Wow.
Ya, Dusun Lotud.
Alright. So kamu besar di Penampang. You were born in Queen Elizabeth Hospital.
Apa lagi?
Memang asal orang KK kan. Tipikal kan di sana.
Ya.
Tidak tempat lain kan.
Hospital Queen.
Actually saya di Kota Marudu, tapi saya lahir di Queen juga.
Iya kah?
Ya.
Jauh.
Ya.
Jangan dulu kau keluar. Kami dikeker dulu kau keluar.
Yeah. Well, okay. So you're from Penampang, basically. So kalau orang tanya kau bangsa apa, kau jawab macam mana?
Bangsa
Because your father is dusun Lotod, right?
Saya cakap dusun lah.
Okay.
Ya.
So you basically you grew up with the culture? With
Yeah.
dusun negara dusun
Yeah,
culture?
I grew up with the culture.
Okay.
But I wish kan macam saya boleh terbelajar ini dusun Lotod.
Okay.
Because it's such a beautiful language. Tapi macam kalau sekarang I don't know if it's too late lah, tapi dia macam susah.
Sudah mau pick up,
Ya,
right?
susah mau pick up.
Macam mana?
Otak kita tidak macam sponge sudah bah.
Ay, masih tu. I
Yeah.
mean, macam mana difference dia? I mean, can you give like a very simple
I don't
example?
know, I mean,
Itulah dia dah tahu.
Jauh difference dia tahu.
Yeah.
Oh.
Dia orang ada macam
Ya lenggok-lenggok.
ya ada lenggok-lenggok dia yang lain. The bahasa pun is like quite different juga.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Cantik betul.
Like my mom lah. My mom rungus. So rungus lagi lah.
Oh.
Macam kau bergaduh saya, tapi actually dia nak bergaduh pun.
Ya.
Suruh makan tapi bergaduh.
Tapi tiada muka rungus kan dah. anyway, well, so okay, Velvet, kau dari Penampang, you are kat dusun, and kau membesar di mana? I mean, kau bersekolah di mana last time? Were you like everywhere?
No
Ataupun macam mana?
lah, I memang I grew up in Penampang lah. Sekolah rendah pun di sana. I went to SRK St. Joseph.
Okay.
Oh.
Lepas tu sekolah menengah saya pergi di St. Michael,
Okay.
Penampang.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Lepas tu saya tidak sambung sekolah.
Sebab saya pergi akademi pantas ya.
Kena buang-buang tisu lah kamu.
Okay.
Oh, AF.
Tell us growing up in Penampang as a Penampangians lah kan.
Apa okay? First
Beside-
impression kamu orang Penampang apa?
You badis.
Lanjut apa dah?
Ya. But
Asal Penampang itu gunanya.
Itu kan Ria betul.
Yes, I buddies lah.
Yeah. But I'm not saying like that lah. For me dari dulu Penampang for me is KK because it's very near.
Iya,
Me
iya
too.
betul.
They can just
Yeah.
go CP center point anytime they want. So saya bagi saya.
Wah, I think dulu kan mau pergi CP is like a luxury to us.
Oh, serious? Even for
Yeah.
you guys ah?
Johan kan panggil dulu.
Ya, Johan, betul.
Kan?
Betul.
Yeah.
Tua.
Johan, aduh, ya correct. Dia punya
Yeah.
dia punya bus stop di belakang.
Iya betul.
Batu-batu lagi. Well, anyway, so were you like so intrigued in arts ataupun kau betul-betul
Minat
into sing-
menyanyi lah.
Ya. Were you into sing dari dulu atau macam mana?
Yeah, I think I'm like I'm more to the creative side lah dari kecil. Yeah, I have this kalau attention span saya untuk subjek-subjek yang saya tidak minat lah.
Contohnya subjek apa?
Okay lah di sekolah macam
Maths nama.
Ya betul.
Ya
Oh my
kah?
gosh, mathematics is like susahnya, you know,
Okay.
for me lah.
Oh.
Tapi it's not that apalah. Bukan saya bilang I did not enjoy school. Tapi dari saya kecil lah kan saya memang suka. I like to journal.
Oh.
I like to sing.
Okay.
But the thing is macam I was not exposed sangat sama ini. Anu lah macam the scene sangat.
Oh, okay.
Tidak jarang lah ikut pertandingan-pertandingan begitu di sekolah, yes, ya.
Okay.
Join
Pertandingan menyanyi?
choir, ya.
Okay.
Tapi kalau kau bilang macam competition sugandoi semua tu, I tidak pernah lah.
Oh, di luar dari sekolah tiada
ya.
lah. Oh.
Saya ikut. Kalau kamu ingat dulu kan ada titian mesra RTM.
Yes,
ada.
Saya
Ya.
pernah join juga begitu.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but then I think
Did you win?
dan titian mesra is like
Oh,
dulu
persembahan
sekarang
salah.
kami pergi kampung.
Oh, ya.
Untuk buat persembahan
Ya.
pakai itu combo RTM
Ya.
sekali. Tapi itu time saya I think teenager lah macam.
Diorang pakai tu yang you know the shipping container tu buka terus jadi stage kan yang begitu
Ya,
kan.
something like that.
Something like
Yes. Kami ada bus gitu.
Ya.
Wih, syuknya.
Saya sama zaman derang si S20 News. Sama umur kami.
Oh.
Ya.
Kau satu umur sama Esther kah?
Sama ya, satu umur.
Oh,
Alright.
okay.
Which is berapa tu lah?
Mau. Segue pergi tanya tu bah.
So you don't really like macam you were singing, you know, but you never like macam join Sugando or something yang big event like that. Was it atau macam mana?
Pertandingan kecil-kecil ada lah, tapi kalau kau bilang yang semua begini nih tidak.
Okay.
Oh.
Ya,
Okay. So
mungkin saya malu kali, saya
Okay.
takut. Ya, I did not have macam the guts to do it on my own lah. But I went for my teacher sent me for pernah tuh diantar lepas saya habis form 5.
Ah.
Dia suruh saya pergi audition untuk
Sorry, competition something like that.
Bintang RTM.
Okay.
And I didn't get it.
Kau dah pergi lah.
Lama sudah. Ini yang masih lagi bangunan dorang di
Oh, sini
Sana.
belakang SCSB.
And I went for, I remember
Karamuncing.
going for ni kan dulu KK punya sekolah semua ni kan. Dia ada
inter-school.
bakat interact.
Okay.
I went for an audition untuk join dia punya menyanyi punya pertandingan. Out, terus saya tak kena pilih. Lama sudah lah. Saya ingat.
I want to visit back kau punya family punya background. Your father, parents ada memang yang paling nyanyi ke? Atau macam mana?
Yeah, I think menyanyi untuk suka-suka lah, yes. But my dad menyanyi dia, he plays the instruments. Dia
Ui.
menyanyi gitu.
Are you like
Tapi he doesn't dia tidak buat secara profesional lah untuk leisure ada
Siuk-siuk
kugilan
lah.
sama kawan-kawan
band.
gitu time muda-muda
band
gitu.
boy like that lah?
Ya.
Were you involved in like church because banyak orang punya paling nyanyi daripada church?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ya dari
Okay.
kecil lah.
Okay.
I was exposed to semua ni lah macam praise and worship punya team begitu.
Wah, memang gitu kan?
Yeah.
Ya meh.
Ya.
Putting Mariah Carey kan? Kan. Okay. Another things that I would like to ask, if you don't mind, your family background, like kau anak orang kaya ke?
Tidak, okay.
Atau macam mana?
Tidak orang
Your
biasa
parents work as
saja.
what?
My dad was the banker.
Okay.
Wih, kayangan tuh.
Tidak lah.
Kejap
Biasa-
Demi Sabah kredit no, jangan sebut.
No. My dad dulu dia Sabah Bank.
Sabah Bank ya. Okay.
Wih, dulu masih ada
Yes.
sama benggan
Yeah.
macam.
Ya. Sampai dia
long time
merge
ago.
tu kan. So mami saya macam she is dia kerja office lah begitu.
Okay.
Dia jabatan haiwan
Okay.
punya, I don't know, I forgot.
Government lah.
Di government, yes.
White collar lah, white collar. Ya.
Tidak.
Benar juga.
Imagine kalau adik-beradik kau banyak, tolonglah.
Oh.
Susah tau mau piara anak banyak-banyak.
Faham.
Berapa orang adik-beradik kau ni?
5 orang.
5 orang.
Iya.
Wow.
Saya 6 je. Okay.
Mau lawan.
Kau nombor berapa?
Saya nomor 3.
Nombor 3.
Oh, middle child.
Yes.
Okay. So then tell us about the story of your journey going for the audition Academy Fantasia.
The audition that changed your life, kira
Yeah.
gitulah kan?
Actually, yes lah
Okay.
kan, you can say that. Because I think during that time Academy Fantasia is like
The viral thing kan?
the thing that people watch bah.
Yeah.
Kan? Sebab kita ni mana ada apa-apa di Sabah
Yeah,
kan.
yeah.
So bila itu fenomena datang kan, semua orang macam wanna make it bah
Yeah.
di sana, and it was a really good platform lah
Yeah.
then.
Yeah.
Kan. So Sabah punya saya rasa AF2 baru dia buka untuk Sabah Sarawak kan.
Adam, okay.
So during that time I think I was still in macam high school. So AF3 I went for the audition. I think itu was baru habis form 5.
Oh.
And then I did not get through. Yeah.
Oh, that was the first try lah gitu. Oh.
Yeah. So yang the 4th season tu kan
You try again.
Yeah, but this time I was like quite reluctant because yang season 3 tu kan actually saya dapat batu peserta simpanan.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
reserve lah.
So
Oh.
macam I had to wait for someone to go out baru boleh masuk.
Okay.
Oh.
Chances memang zero lah kan, sebab
Okay.
semua orang masuk pula
Yeah.
tu kan.
Yeah.
But then I was fine with it lah because if that's what's written kan okay lah kan. So by the next year I was already saya
Finish
join
school.
ini JPSM bah.
Okay.
Yeah, I was in a hotel lah doing kitchen training lah. Kami
Okay.
jadi trainee lah untuk dapat sijil.
Oh.
So,
okay.
And I wanted to saya bilang saya mau work dalam bidang culinary.
Okay.
So,
Did
you like it? You like it?
Oh.
Syok, yeah. I enjoy cooking kan, and I said okay, maybe this is what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, this is
Walaupun
what-
I like to sing,
Oh.
but maybe this is
Like I meant for this lah.
meant to be the thing that I'm gonna do lah for the rest of my life kan.
I see.
Ya, cooking while singing lah gitu kan.
Iya, tapi di apa yang time saya buat training tu kan, saya terkenal lah sama kawan-kawan saya ni, 2 orang kawan. Dorang invite saya out. First saya join in kitchen band kan
Okay.
Oh.
in that hotel, and then lepas tu ada dua kawan sini bawa saya nyanyi di BB Cafe
Okay.
di Tanjung
Oh,
Aru Beach.
sana.
Lama sudah ada tuh
Yeah, there's a stage there.
macam gazebo kan di sana.
Right, yeah, correct.
ya yang orang duduk di open space
Yeah.
tuh. Sana lah kami nyanyi dulu pakai
Like three-piece.
sequence.
Sequence. Oh, yeah.
Kau download
Oh,
MIDI,
MIDI.
di floppy disk.
Oh my god, that is old track, man.
Yeah.
2005 ke 6 tuh
Oh, that back
begitu
then.
itu zaman.
Wih.
Kata kalau kau download tidak terbang lagi tuh file
Yeah.
tuh.
Yeah.
Gitu.
Ada visual dia.
I do remember yang
Oh my gosh.
kau nak payah pandai main keyboard kan.
Oh.
Kau buat macam berlakon-berlakon macam gitu. Because dia autoplay.
Sial.
Betul. Kau begini-gini aja kawan saya tuh kan yang nanti gini-gini.
Berlakon-berlakon.
Smart dia main tapi gini.
Yang tempat lagi minum tapi
Iya.
Main lagu.
well back then lah, back then, right.
Wow.
So you perform there.
Ya tapi sekejap saja.
Okay.
So datanglah nih.
Hold on, how were your parents? Dorang okay saja kau perform?
I mean, they know I like to sing, and you know they support. My parents ada type of parents yang dia tidak push kau untuk mau jadi apa tau.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice.
So while growing up kan,
And so you're a good girl lah last time.
oh
to the family.
mesti lah.
Macam
So my parents when the types yang anu lah macam you have to be this when you grow up ini. I think my eldest brother got that. Kami ndak sudah.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, so we get to do the things that we want to do lah, and I'm glad that you know they actually gave me freedom to do the things that I want juga lah. So they were quite supportive. Tapi yang ini yang cerita yang mau pergi audition yang the fourth one lah kan. I was quite reluctant juga because I was already working, training kan.
Yeah.
And then saya bilang macam buang masa, if I go again it's gonna waste my time. Macam kalau if it's a no again macam buat apalah saya bersusah payah gitu bah.
Iya, iya.
Yeah,
Atau
but-
nak dapat gitu kan. Oh.
So saya punya parents bilang try lah, why not you try saja, dia bilang. So this time I went alone. I
Okay.
did not tell anyone.
Okay.
Saya tidak kasih tahu siapa yang saya pikir.
Oh, pergi saja.
Ya, saya pergi je lah, try lah. So if it's not for me, then yang ini menyanyi ni kan, okay, it's not for me lah. Ini yang ni, kalau saya tidak dapat.
Ya,
And-
bahas lainnya.
Ya, and saya reda lah, kan, macam it's fine lah gitu.
Accept lah.
Ya.
So then, macam I got in,
Oh.
yeah, and I was 19 that time, muda lagi.
Wow. That is 2006, 7 like that kan? You bilang?
7.
Seven.
Ya, ujung bulan 2006. Bila lagi World Cup tuh?
2006 kan?
2006.
Ya, 2006 lah
Saya
macam.
tingkatan 4 lagi bah.
Muda.
Muda
Aduh.
lagi kau.
Ya, dia muda dari saya.
Yo.
Ya.
Saya tengok di TV lagi.
Di mana dong buat tu audition during that time?
Di Lee Meridian
Early Meridian.
pada waktu itu, yes.
Okay.
Wow. Back then.
Saya ingat lagi, kalau itu time baris-baris banjir, orang berduduk di bawah tu pokok di belakang tuh.
Ya.
Banyak kurang ah.
Gila banyak.
Gila banyak. One of it is me.
Oh, you went kah yang 4?
I did went.
Wah.
I did went. Tapi sekali saya lama sudah saya tunggu kan, belasa saya keluar dari barisan, saya keluar.
Kenapa?
Panjang
betul. It was like a waste, macam
Oh.
lagi pun saya suka-suka saya itu macam mau tengok the vibes ya. Konon-konon lah.
Kau sakit perut
And
maksud
saya tahu saya dah dapat pun. I'm not good. So saya tahu saya just want to see what is going on gitu. Konon padahal nangis nak.
Dia sudah tidak dapat.
So kali ni kau tidak simpanan. Kali ni kau one of the first.
Ya, macam anu lah, first 11 lah. Gitu
First,
kan. No lah, it's still anu background buat macam yang you have to go through a prelude lagi kan, begitu. So, ya begitulah dia punya perjalanan.
Hold on. Okay, so you went to KL. You the prelude tu pun kau menang kira.
Masuk
you in-
dalam 12
Yeah,
lah tu kan, 24 jadi 12.
Saring-saring lagi kan.
And during that time, let's just keep it forward a little bit. So kau sampai final. I do remember you kau sampai final.
Dan
That time
kuncit.
Alam.
during that time siapa yang menang?
This guy from Terengganu, his name
okay.
is Faizal.
Faizal. What apa cerita Faizal sekarang?
Wah, itu pun actually
We also don't know kan.
Contact
Lost contact.
juga, ya.
Nak kedengaran dia punya cerita.
Well, okay, never mind. So you went out, you signed to Maestro, if I'm not mistaken, right? To Astro punya company, was
Yes,
it?
I mean,
Have to lah.
have to lah.
Jangan sayang.
Setiap kali kau keluar kan, ya you like it or not, ya macam memang sign sama dia orang lah for a couple of years.
Contract lah.
Begitu.
see.
Okay, rewind a bit. Masa kau dapat tu, how do you feel? How your family feel?
Wah, actually kan, to time I think everything feels macam new.
Okay.
So,
Oh, are you happy? Of course lah.
of course lah. I mean, of course you're happy to
Kau
be.
lompat-lompat kau menjerit?
Yeah,
Macam like,
but I've never considered macam AF as a competition tau.
okay.
Oh.
Sebab just to be in there is actually something very tough. Sudah ni
Yeah,
benda-benda yang kau perlu belajar dalam macam derang kasih masuk yang benda-benda kau belajar dalam 5 tahun kan, dalam masa 3 bulan je.
Yeah, the compact.
Oh my
Contoh lah
goodness,
begitu.
compressed.
So for me it's quite it's tiring.
Oh.
Yeah, it
Tiap
penat
minggu
lah.
konsert betul? Tiap minggu
Tiap
konsert.
minggu kau dapat, okay, dia macam begini. Kau habis konsert the first week. Besok dia kau dapat sudah lagu baru, kau punya assignment. Lagu yang kau tahu kau tidak tahu kau dapat je. By Wednesday kira kau mesti hafal sudah.
Ui.
Ya,
Lagu-lagu yang kau anu.
Ui,
And
gila.
kalau ada dance step, you have to like, you know, by Thursday dia perlu
Oh, matilah.
bagus sebab Friday is like the full dress rehearsal untuk hari 6 begitu. So dia penat.
Yo, penatnya. full.
Penat, ya. It is penat.
Berapa
I
weeks?
mean,
So
orang
how
nampak-
long was it? 3 months kan?
I was 3 months.
3 months. Okay, berapa banyak kau menang?
I did.
Was it like money that time?
I
Atau
did
Got
tidak?
cash
not
money,
win
no?
anything. Saya rasa tu kerusi urut je.
Oh ya. Oh SIM tu kan.
Itu saja. I think I didn't get any macam cash ke apa-apa tidak.
Oh, so
Kereta
orang-orang
pun
bilang-
tidak. Yang dapat kereta lotte.
Oh, lotte.
Dia nomor
Oh.
2. Ya.
Iya, lotte
First and
dapat
second
kereta.
dapat kereta.
Yeah.
Ya. Orang bilang, "Wih, banyak nih duit orang dapat nih asal menang
Tidak,
lang."
I did
Tidak.
not get any.
I think after 4 yang ada start duit sudah. The 5th and until baru ada duit.
Mungkin ya. Kami tiada.
Tapi you got a chance to sign a
Record deal lah.
Tidak.
No.
Tidak. No, we did not.
Oh.
Tidak lah. Dude, it's not easy lah I think for them to macam mau
Simply
simply sign and waste money on a product yang derang tahu tidak tahu
Yeah.
boleh go ke tidak
Okay.
pun.
Oh.
And I think our label waktu tu banyak berartis derang. I think it's over
Yeah.
40.
Yeah.
So they wouldn't want to make
A lot.
40 orang, 40 juga album kan. So
Yeah.
we were like, anu lah, pandai-pandai lah kau hidup lah. At that time lah I think.
After AF gitu.
Derang
Paling probably.
I mean, if you have like so many artists under satu payung kan, it's not easy to focus on everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I understand the situation lah.
Oh.
So you have to survive yourself. Survival
Yeah.
of the fittest lah.
Oh.
If you make it, then you make it lah.
Wouldn't they be like macam ini saya punya pikiran lah. Ada label-label kecil yang cuba mengurat kamu kah? Come lah, try with us macam gitu tiada.
Tiada juga lah.
Oh.
I mean to macam work and collaborate ada, but kau bilang untuk masan macam album deal
Like Universal or
tiada.
Sony. Or back then,
Wow, the reality ya.
yeah.
Yeah, it's not an easy industry I think juga. Macam kalau kita nampak dari permukaan, it's like wah.
Ya, dari TV macam
Kan.
oh ya easy life lah orang lepas
Ya.
ni macam gitu ah. So
So I
wow.
think orang yang buat music ni adalah orang-orang yang sangat resilient.
Oh yeah, that's true. Rebellious inside also.
Speaking for yourself.
yeah. So you were 3 months there, and during the 3 months, kau macam mana? Kau kasi tinggal family kau? I think that is the first time kau kasi tinggal family kau, you know.
Ya,
that
macam
long,
first
yeah.
time keluar dari
Kepompong.
Sabah, yes.
Okay.
19 pula tu kan. So it's like
How was
me
it? How do
going
you feel?
to college. Oh, freedom.
Oh, freedom. Bukan macam sorry di rumah sudah ini lah tidak.
Macam habis sudah to AF kan, just base di KL lah.
Oh.
Macam I get to wake up at 11:30 in the afternoon. Macam pagi kan, pukul 12 tengah hari gitu.
Oh.
Kalau di rumah
Yeah.
pukul 7 sudah. Oi bangun.
Ya. So it's like dia kasih anu lah, dia kasih besar kau lah, dia kasih matang kau,
I see.
dan dia ajar kau macam mana mau cari duit awal-awal begitu. Because I did not sambung sekolah kan,
Yeah.
so macam in a way I was like thrown out there to just figure out for myself lah.
Wah.
Yeah.
So were you like ada sad to leave your family atau macam mana? You miss your family during that
I
time?
think
Freedom tu.
I think kalau macam kita kan we will reach a point an age lah in our lives kan yang we are ready to just go out there and discover things kan. So I think that was the time where I feel macam saya
It's about time.
maybe I'm ready gitu.
gitu.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
And you're young gitu kan. You just want to do the things that other people do gitu.
Tapi during that time it's Afundi, so kan, it's Afundi,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah, man.
People need to
SMS. Is it?
Yeah, SMS.
I forgot
during
already.
that time. SMS.
Yeah.
Kalau
Oh.
kau tengok dulu sama sekarang jauh beza dia. You
Yeah.
don't even know kewujudan semua di benda tau.
Yeah. Sekarang QR.
Oh,
All the way sejak online and everything.
pakai app.
Yeah.
Everything is that.
Yeah.
Wah. I miss
So
back
you
then.
went out with Maestro for I don't know 1 year probably that time kau sign
2 tahun lah
2
kali
tahun
tu.
2 years. So what they do macam promote kamu lah gitu. You were staying in KL lah right after.
Yeah.
Like magazine and photo shoot.
Nah, gitu-gitulah. Yeah, but I remember macam it's just all that lah. Kalau dari segi waktu tu macam they sell you based on your popularity lah. So mine was like mostly in Sabah and Sarawak and yes di Semenanjung Malaysia pun I did like quite a lot of gigs juga lah.
Oh.
But itulah lagu-lagu yang kau nyanyi di AF. It's like buat covers lah.
Covers.
Yeah, you don't have an album. You don't have kau punya apa music yang kau mau lah begitu. Tapi muda lagi kan, mana kau peduli
Ikut
tu
saja lah.
ada duit,
Yeah.
okay lah.
Yeah.
You can, you know.
So did you like macam you make money that time? Do you have your saving that time? Kau macam mana?
Yeah. I
Mean,
mean,
making juga.
bila kau
Making. Diorang famous dulu.
janganlah juga kan, tidaklah kau bilang make money, but
Yalah.
we actually did. Yeah.
At that age.
At that age kan dulu RM5 pun kau bagagar pigang ba kan. Jadi bila kau dapat yang I
ribu-ribu
got
ni.
this gitu ba kan. At like 19 begitu ba.
Yeah.
I wonder how you feel during that time. Kau sudah macam like you're a celebrity, you're in the TV, you're everywhere in magazine and everything. I wonder how you feel. Kau ada rasa macam saya famous sudah sekarang, adakah? Atau kau memang jenis yang humble dari dulu kah atau macam mana?
Saya rasa saya jenis yang chill lah. I just don't macam let fame makan diri kau
Okay.
begitu. Yeah, and I think growing up I was never exposed to all these things lah. Macam we were quite grounded in a way. My mom lah. Pergi karaoke pun dia telefon jam berapa balik gitu. That's my mom, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, so di KL pun macam I did not have macam kawan circle yang besar pun. Yeah. I hang out with the same people yang I used to hang out sama dulu sama sekarang. Masih sama.
Kira apa Gen Z bilang tu? Kau introvert kah extrovert?
I think I am an ambivert. Kali
Oh,
lah.
50-50 lah.
Yeah, I can, but I am more
Masih
like
bukan amphibian.
but more of
Kata
an
aku,
introverted person lah saya rasa.
Oh,
yeah.
that's why your circle is small gitu kan?
Very small.
Wah.
How about now?
Sama juga.
Sama juga.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, extrovert
I'm-
like it's very hard to determine this thing because ada yang cakap introvert tapi dia biasa di atas stage dan cakap and all very good.
Yeah.
Tapi kalau extrovert is like macam hey, you know, very loud and
Yeah.
sampai masuk mesti atas kenal orang.
Extrovert si Lester.
Lester kan? Siapa media?
Oi dia
Oh, dia.
dia kami punya anu tuh.
Oh, okay.
Hype man.
Shield.
Oh,
Yes.
oh.
Yeah.
You go first lah. You
He's
go
like
first lah.
our social butterfly.
Oh, I see.
Oh, yeah, that's extrovert.
Yeah.
Okay.
Macam dia boleh kasih biasa diri macam terus bila dia sampai dalam satu tempat begitu.
Oh.
We can talk more about velvet extrovert ka, ambivert ka, or
Amphibians kah?
Right after this, kita take a short break. Of course,
Yep.
penaja kami adalah podcast ini dibawakan khas kepada anda oleh Naim Syauqi, the celebrity therapist. Beliau akan berada di Sabah selama 2 hari pada Julai nanti untuk mempromosikan sesi dan dia punya road tour di Sabah, dan kita akan umum soon.
Yap, untuk mengetahui bila dan di mana follow socials Naim Syauqi di seluruh media sosial beliau termasuk TikTok dan Instagram ataupun WhatsApp saja 0111 544 7006 0111 544 7006.
Mana-mana, kita akan kembali selepas ini.
Hello everyone, my name is Syed Saddiq. You are listening to Kinabalu Podcast, the number one podcast in Sabah.